Hey guys, so let's talk about money and leaving money on the table. You wouldn't want to do that, so let's avoid that with the abandoned checkout automation. So here we are in the Omnisend automation library with millions of different pre-built automations ready for us to implement. But today we're going to focus on the abandoned checkout only. So let's jump into that. So here we are in the automation builder, and here are the start and exit conditions for this specific workflow. So the customers enter the workflow when they start their checkout, and customers exit the workflow when they place an order. And if they are stuck during the checkout process, after 1 hour, as you can see here, they're going to be sent these emails, as you can see below. So let me go through all of them. So the first one is pretty basic. It just works as a little reminder, a little push to complete the purchase. As you can see, we can edit the content right here, and here it is. We've noticed you left some items in your cart, and you can see the entire cart right here. This is going to be filled automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. It's not gonna look like this. So let me finish the editing. And let's go for the rest of the steps. So now we have the delay of 11 hours. You can adjust it to fit your liking. And then the customer is going to be sent another email. And after another 12 hours, he will get yet another email. I think that's a bit too much, a little too pushy. So let me cut it down to 2 emails instead. Let me take this one, edit the content, and let me add the discount block myself. Now I can adjust it on the side right here to fit my liking, but 10% is fine, and it's gonna be filled out automatically because I'm using a Shopify based store. Otherwise, you might need to enter it manually, so do make sure that it's correct there. Now we also have 2 CTAs right here, so let's get rid of this one instead, and let's keep it as is right here. We can also adjust the title over here. We have something special for you. All right, so now that the email is done, you can send the test email to yourself to preview it, or you can just preview it in the website. Bada bing, bada boop, it looks pretty good. And now let's get back to the builder. So let's exit this, finish editing. Okay, and since we left a little discount in this message, we can add a little bit of a message in the subject line itself. We left a little gift for you. There we go. And since we also offer a discount in the last step, let's just not do it and get rid of it entirely because we already included the discount and we only want 2 emails in this specific workflow. All right, so let's recap what we have accomplished right here. So the customers enter the workflow when they start their checkout. If they don't complete it by 1 hour, they're being sent a reminder, and then after 11 hours, they will get a little discount waiting for them in their inbox. And after the workflow is enabled, you can see the stats for each step by clicking over here on this button. And that is it for the abandoned checkout. If you want to learn more about email marketing in general, forms, automations, emails, SMS, all the good stuff, you can check out the link in the description to our Fundamentals Marketing course. I will see you in the next one.